Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is August 22nd, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from BOS, a company known for integrating cutting-edge technologies to enhance supply chain operations. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, BOS has just released their Q2 2025 earnings report. Can you give us a brief overview?
Absolutely. BOS has reported a strong Q2 2025 with a 36% increase in sales year over year. The company has also raised its full-year revenue and net income guidance, which is a positive sign for investors.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. BOS reported a revenue of $11.5 million for Q2 2025, which is a significant increase from last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The 36.4% increase in revenue to $11.5 million is primarily driven by BOS's strategic focus on the defense sector and efforts to diversify their customer base. This has allowed them to expand their product offerings and capture new market opportunities.
And what about profitability? How did BOS perform in terms of net income and EBITDA?
Net income increased by 52.7% to $765,000 or 3 cents per basic share, compared to $501,000 or 0.9 cents per share in Q2 2024. EBITDA also saw an increase, reaching $898,000 compared to $817,000 in the previous year. This indicates strong operational performance and effective cost management.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. How did BOS's different divisions perform, and what are the expectations moving forward?
The gross profit margin for the quarter was 22.8%, down from 26% last year, mainly due to temporary challenges in the RFID division. The RFID division's margin decreased to 19.1% from 21.1%, but BOS is actively addressing these issues through restructuring initiatives. The supply chain division also saw a margin decrease to 24% from 28% due to a less favorable product mix.
And what about the future outlook? How has BOS adjusted its guidance?
Based on the strong results and contracted activity for the second half of the year, BOS has raised its full-year revenue guidance to between $45 million and $48 million, up from the previous $44 million. They also expect net income to be between $2.6 million and $3.1 million, indicating confidence in their growth trajectory.
Company leadership insights. Let's delve into the insights from the company's leadership. What did the CEO and CFO have to say about these results?
CEO Eyal Cohen highlighted the strategic focus on the defense sector and the diversification of their customer base as key factors driving the robust 36% revenue growth. He emphasized the solid financial foundation with $24 million in shareholders' equity and $5.2 million in cash, which supports their expansion plans.
And what about the CFO's perspective?
CFO Moshe Zeltzer addressed the temporary margin pressures in the RFID division, noting that they are implementing comprehensive restructuring initiatives to return to normalized performance levels by Q4 2025. He also mentioned a non-cash goodwill impairment charge of $700,000, which was largely offset by a gain from currency appreciation.
Key takeaways. In summary, BOS has delivered a strong performance in Q2 2025 with significant revenue and net income growth. The company has raised its full-year guidance, reflecting confidence in its strategic initiatives. However, they are addressing operational challenges in the RFID division. Thank you for joining us, John, and thank you to our viewers for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on BOS's performance in the comments below.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing BOS's impressive results and future prospects.